I'm Dhanashree and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that tiny bell button right next to the subscribe one so you will be notified every time I put up a video on YouTube. With that being said, let's not waste any time and move into the haul. So the first product I have is the deodorant spray, and it is very cheap. I got it for like 90 bucks from Miniso. You can find this on Amazon as well. I'll mention all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video in the description bar below, so you can easily check it out. This is in the variant Sunset Purple. It smells amazing. Also, the next one I have is in Sea Mist. This one I got for Samiksha. This one is for me. So both really smell beautiful. Next we got is this deodorant by Nivea. I got it from Amazon. It's Nivea deodorant fresh natural 48 hours protection. I am a very sweaty person, so I need these kind of products. That is why deo and deodorant. It's a roll-on basically, and it smells amazing. Next product I have is this cotton pads from Miniso. This is the size of the cotton pad. So there are 180 cotton sheets. I actually went for buying the microfiber cloth from Miniso, but I ended up picking this because the cloth was out of stock. So if I find it on Amazon, I'm surely gonna buy it. So this is the acrylic lipstick holder, and it has like 24 compartments, and it is really sturdy, nice quality, good quality. I really enjoy the quality, and yeah, it's pretty much sturdy, so I would really suggest if you're looking for one. I'll mention the link in the description bar. Next I've got is this Derma Suction Suck the Yuck out of your pores. So this is basically to remove your blackheads, whiteheads around your chin, face, basically from everywhere. There are 4 different heads that you get. Like, one is already attached, and there are these 3 different heads. I have used this twice. Yeah, I've used it twice so far, and I think it's a good product. But if you really want an in-depth video about it, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll surely make an in-depth review about this product. Moving on, I've got 3 books from Amazon. The first one is The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank. I am really enjoying this book. It's basically about a 13 or 14. So a 13-year-old girl, Anne Frank, and she was a victim of Second World War. So it basically has everything from her day-to-day life about the World War, about everything that was going around her, and it's her diary basically. So I'm really enjoying it, reading it. I took a long break while reading, so I'm halfway through. Half of it is left. I'm gonna quickly complete, and I hope the ending is not that bad, but I know for a reason. Anyway, let's not talk about it. So the next book that I've got is Ikigai. It's basically a Japanese word and a Japanese secret to long and happy life. I haven't started reading this yet. My mom started reading it, and she really wants me to read it, and she really enjoyed reading it. So yeah. Next I've got this book by Jane Austen. It's Pride and Prejudice. I haven't read this also, so no review on it, but I'm looking forward to read this book, and yeah. Next I've got this pen drive from SanDisk, and it's a 64 GB pen drive. It goes basically in your PC, that's for this one, and also in your phone, but somehow I have a C-type whatever. So I have a C-type charger, so I cannot really attach this thing in my phone. So I got this from Mivi. I don't know what it is called. So basically you attach this to this one, and then it goes into my phone. So that is how it works, and that's for my storage, like the video storage. With that, I've also got a ring light, which you will probably see in a while, and the stand. I cannot bring it here because that's the light I'm shooting on with. Okay, so I'm gonna insert a clip. Next, I've got these pair of earphones which are really shitty. Do not get it from Amazon. Instead, I got one pair from Miniso. It's really amazing. It's way better and it's also of good quality. So next up, I've got this beauty blenders. They are all colorful and amazing blender. I don't mind the size. If you have watched my previous video, you probably know I've got this beauty blender from an Instagram store, and it's a AOA blender, which is supposed to have that velvety texture and all of that, but I don't really like it, so I spent like 400 bucks on that, and I'm not happy with the blender. So I would instead recommend this. You get around 15 blenders in this, and this is very cheap. It's for like 250 bucks, right? So you get 15 beauty blenders for 250. And what I personally do, like what I have started doing, is I use different blenders for different part of my face. So the last product that we have is from Amazon, and it is my favorite purchase. It's this mirror from Amazon. It's oval bathroom mirror from Miniso. Sorry, it's not from Amazon, it's from Miniso. Did I say Amazon? I'm sorry for that. So this is the mirror. You can detach this whole thing. Wait, this is the mirror. You can detach this whole thing. Wait. So this comes off. You can just fold this and keep again in the box, but I don't like it. Also, this is very flexible, I would say. It turns and rotates all around. So yeah, okay. So this is how it looks. That's my ring light, and that is the stand. I'll try and mention the stand, like the whole clip of the stand, but this is how my ring light looks. It's an amazing ring light with good quality. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit that tiny bell button right next to the subscribe one, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. And also do not forget to hit that tiny little ring light. Ring light? Oh my god! 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, hit the tiny bell right. Also,